If you feel exhausted and sluggish after every meal, like you've just run a marathon, your blood sugar is likely spiking way too high. See, most people think just cutting carbs is enough, but even healthy foods can send your glucose levels soaring. Your doctor might not have mentioned that it's not just what you eat, but how certain foods interact in your gut that causes those wild swings, leading to that post-meal crash and making your A1C climb. Most people rely on willpower or impossible diets, but the real issue lies in your body's ability to efficiently process sugar. There's one simple, daily habit that many people find effectively flattens those blood sugar spikes. And it's not another restrictive diet or strenuous exercise. It's a very specific, natural approach. You can discover this easy addition to your routine right now. Link in bio. It takes less than 30 seconds to learn about. Check it out before your next meal and feel the difference.